friends, today I'm going to show you how I made this magical mermaid drawing. First, I started with her happy little face. I drew 2 big round eyes, a tinny nose, and a sweet smile, because mermaids are always kind and full of joy. Next, I gave her beautiful, flowing red hair, just like it's moving in the ocean waves. I even added a starfish clip to make her look extra special. Then, I drew her sparkly shell top, and of course her amazing fish tail. I used blue and light blue crayons to color her tail and made some scales to give it that shiny, underwater look. And that's how I made my mermaid drawing, full of color, happiness, and a little bit of ocean magic. Don't forget to draw your own mermaid. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. See you next time, little artists. Bye bye.